Alright, today I'm going to show you the Let's Resin curing machine. This is my first time using it. It's super easy to put together. I just turned it on, but it just comes in two parts, bottom and the top. You turn it on, it's for 3 hours. You make sure your window's open. You must have the window open. These are some I had just done, but I'm not going to put them on the curing machine. I'm just going to let them sit and see how they work. And the ones I did under here at the same time are some ornaments as well. This is the epoxy I used, Luminite A and B. It says it is 30 to 40 minutes work time, tack free 8 hours, fast full cure 24 hours. So I'm going to see if this makes it fully cured in less than 24 hours. So these I will not do until the 24 hours. And this I will check after 3 hours. Alright, we'll get back to you. And again, make sure your window is open. Remember, it has an automatic time off. But do not, I wouldn't leave it and go somewhere else just in case it doesn't shut off. But also make sure you have your windows ventilated. Luckily it's like 80 degrees here today. And it's about, right now it's probably about 50 tonight. So I'm good to go. Alright. Alright, it's been 4 hours since I put this on the curing machine. And 4 hours since I've done these. And let's check them. These are still a little tacky, but they're not running. So this is actually pretty good resin right here. This Luminite works pretty fast. So I'm gonna let that still cure for 24 hours. So here is the curing ones on the curing machine. I'm a little bit nervous. My room does smell, and I have the window open, so like I said, make sure you have your window open. Alright. They're, well, still a little bit warm under here. I'm scared to try this. See if I can demold these. Don't want to wreck them. I've never done these before. Oh, wow. They're not tacky. See, these are very intricate design in here. These little points. Kind of worried about this, demolding it this early. It's supposed to wait 24 hours, but let's see if this did the trick. And see, there is a little point to hang stuff, so I'll do that side first. I've never done these. I did put some demolding spray on them before I started. Wow. I'm trying to do it easily. I can't believe I'm demolding this already. Just hope it works. See if it's worth it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's not even sticky. Oh my gosh, is that beautiful. I did pretty good for my first time doing these. Look at that. Kind of looking at it upside down here. Wow. So that is with the curing machine in 3 hours. Absolutely amazing. I cannot even believe this. And it didn't even break the corners. Let me look at the corners. Sorry. Look how pointy those are. That is amazing. I'm still going to let the other ones sit. And actually, I think I should probably put something on top of here. Maybe some parchment paper for next time. But I'm going to still go ahead and let these sit overnight. I just wanted to see if it worked, and it did. I love this mold. Oh my goodness. And it's a pretty good idea. I put the little stars with clear silver stars, and I did the white. That was kind of hard, and I put a little blue dot in there because I had some leftover resin from the I try to do like a blue line, but like I said, these are still a little bit tacky, so I'm gonna let them sit, or I can put them under cure machine, but I don't want to have to watch it all night, so I'm not gonna do that because it's nothing I need done right now. But oh my goodness, what do you think? So this does work. Like I said, it's just 2 parts, and you turn it on, 3 hours, and it shuts off by itself, which it did. But I wouldn't go anywhere. I mean, you could leave the room, but I wouldn't go anywhere like to the store or anything and leave it running. That's just my opinion. You know, just like anything, you want to leave your stove running. You never know, it might not automatically shut off. But alright, so the Let's Resin curing machine is awesome. And here's a picture of the manual. And this isn't my usual video. Usually I have everything set up without having it done in my hands with the camera. But anyways, that is it. Thank you for watching.